Hi everyone, it's Gillian doing my second video in a day. I just thought that as I had my setup done here with my phone and my lamp etc, I'd just come and show a work in progress. It's not actually a design team project as such, but the kit that I was working with or have been working with is all from Natalie again at LineDotArrow, so I thought I'd show you her Facebook group there. It was the leftover papers that I had from the industrial findings kit, and I just started working on this one between my May and June design team projects. So it's been left aside while I completed June. I will be completing it probably the next thing I do. I might do something else that I've got my mind on, but I just thought at the moment it's all Natalie's digitals. I'm probably going to add some other things to it, so I thought while it's at this stage I'd share it. What I made or am making is use of a tea box. So this is one of these types of tea box. So the sort where you've got the lid and then you've got packets of tea inside. And I use these quite regularly, and it was only quite recently that I had an empty one and thought I reckon I could do something with that. So I started off by covering the box in some beautiful paper from that industrial findings kit, and you'll notice that all the inking I've done is in blue because I think that goes so well with this particular digital. And then when you open the box, inside, 2 mini journals. At the moment you do have to tip them to get them out of the box, but I do intend to put some sort of tie or something across this label part so that it'll be easier to pull them out. So you can see the inside of the box is fully lined with the paper as well, and the way I managed this was to undo the box completely at all the glued seams. So I very carefully with a craft knife undid the box completely, so that I then laid it out flat and was able to easily cover both sides. I have to admit there was a little error made because the papers that are on the inside were what I wanted on the outside, but I kind of well, I just didn't get it that way. I realized when it was far too late that I'd put them, you know, the opposite way to the way that was going to fold. So just to quickly show you the 2 mini journals so far, I've used some other little images from a digital page that I think was a freebie of Natalie's on her Facebook page with these little nature images on. I know they weren't part of industrial findings, so I've just put those and 2 little word labels, and you can see I layered these elements and stitched around them. I used blue stitching because it went well, and blue inking. So each of these is very similar at the moment. It's just got a little tuck place there on the inside. This has a tag in, just a little collage tag that I made with journaling space on the back. You can probably notice that I used a little bit of silk. I think it's called shantung silk or something like that. where I sewed the signatures in, so that would make that stronger. So I intend to make a little booklet to put in that part with that as a cover. I've used a bit of eco-dyed paper, which I then splodged some coffee or tea on. I've got here a little flip out that you can see is made from a window envelope. So I will be able to put something inside of there, like so. You can see that there's more to do. It just seemed a good stage to show the work in progress. There's a pocket there, using another one of those lovely images. Tea dyed paper, a flip out of some vintage music paper from a music book, as you can see. Lightly tea dyed paper for writing pages. That's a page from the kit, and I've made a side pocket there. The signatures I've just sewn in with embroidery thread. Another music paper flip out, which I'll probably add some plain paper too, so there's journaling spots there, and I'll be adding lots more to this. Another tuck there. So it's just one signature. That's the other side of that envelope, so that makes a little narrow pocket there. That's the back page, which flips out, and then the back there has got room for another tag in, which I've yet to make. And this one, again, very similar. The tags were from the Industrial Findings kit. You can see how similar they are. This is, have a tag in there, similar to the other one. And yeah, again, I need to find something for in there. Pocket. I had good fun making it so far. As I say, I put it down because I was working on the June project, and I have kind of used up most of my bits and pieces from that kit. So I will be wanting to go on to it'll be great for using scraps, because the size of it is so small, and literally just fit them in the box. Just thought they were super cute, really, so I thought I'd share that thus far, and I'll do an updating video once I've completed it. Take care for now. Bye.